Unlock the full potential of your Lovable applications by seamlessly integrating them with the powerful, open-source backend of Supabase. First things first, head over to your Supabase project dashboard. You'll need the unique project URL and your API key. You can find these easily within your project settings. Keep this information handy, as we'll be using it directly within your Lovable project's backend configuration. Now, let's switch gears to Lovable. You're going to navigate to the backend connection settings within your Lovable applications control panel here. You'll find dedicated fields for Supabase. Paste your Supabase project URL into the corresponding field in Lovable. This tells Lovable where to find your Supabase backend. Next, grab that API key from Supabase and carefully paste it into the API key field within Lovable. This is your secure link for authentication and data operations. With the connection established, Lovable can now leverage Supabase for robust data storage. Think of it as your secure, scalable database for all your applications' information. More importantly, Supabase handles user authentication seamlessly. You can power your Lovable app with secure signups, logins, and user management right out of the box. This integration allows your Lovable applications to dynamically fetch and display data, creating interactive and data-rich user experiences. By connecting Supabase with Lovable, you're giving your applications a powerful, flexible, and scalable backend ready to grow with your ideas.